Hi guys, still looking at the hyperbolic functions, and let's look at the quickest step of how you can sketch this graph here. Okay, so if you have you're about to sketch this graph here, let's look at the full format of it. So here we have a all over x plus p plus q. Okay, so the first thing to look at if you're looking at sketching your graph very quickly, you need to know your asymptote, or let's say first step is to check your sine of a. So that is our a. And then secondly, you're looking at asymptotes. And thirdly, you're looking at the intercept. So this will be x-intercept and y-intercept as well. Then you can sketch your graph. Okay, so let's quickly look at this one as our first example. So let's say our first example is y is equal to 2 over x plus 1 plus 2. Okay, the first thing to identify, you see our 2 here is positive, so a is positive. Okay, so this is our graph here. We are about to sketch our graph, and this is our graph here. This is our Cartesian plane. Okay, so if it's positive, already you know that the graph will be lying here and here because it's positive. Okay, so the other thing that you should look at, you see this t unit here, you're adding 2. It means from the original graph it will be shifted to 2 units up. But let's first look at our asymptote. So our asymptote, this is our asymptote, this is our y asymptote. Q is always a y asymptote. So our asymptote would be y is equal to 2, and then the other one would be x equal to minus 1. So that is coming from here. From here, you just solve for x from here. So you make this equal to 0, and then you find your x asymptote. You take the one to the other side, it becomes negative. That's why you have x equal to minus 1. So let's keep then let's find the intercept. So for y intercept, let x equal to 0. So if x is 0 from this original equation, we will have y is equal to 2 all over 0 plus 1 plus 2. You can just put this straight to the calculator. You will notice that you'll be getting 4. So that is your y-intercept. And for x-intercept, you let y equal to 0 for x-intercept. In that case, you have 0 is equal to 2 all over x plus 1 plus 2. So you need to solve for x from this. You can have minus 2 here is equal to 2 all over x plus 1 to multiply. Then you can multiply both sides, or you can just swipe it. What you can have is x plus 1 is equal to 2 all over minus 2. Okay, because you just swipe this one denominator with our 2 here. You can easily do that. It's mathematical, and then we left with x plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So our x will be nothing but minus 2, because we can take that 1 to the side. It changes the sign to make it minus 1 here. Then that is how we get our minus 2. So you have our intercept. So let's look at what you got here. Let's say you're looking at this was your asymptote, and then you got your intercept. You got that y is equal to 4, and you got that x is equal to minus 2. So let's look at it. Our asymptote is y. We have 2 here as an asymptote. So you just draw that dotted line here, and then you have another one of which is minus 1. So minus 1 is here, x is minus 1. So this is another equation of asymptote like that. And what else you know is that the graph touches x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 is here, so the graph touches here. And also that y is equal to 4. and you know the graph will be touching here. And already, because you have identified that the shape of a graph will look like this because it's positive, hence you can use the sketch your graph. This will be your graph here. It touches here and also goes all the way, and then another one will be like that. It touches here, so you can say this is your graph. So this is an easiest way to do it. You need to find the value of a, it determines where your graph will be, and you need to find the asymptote, and then you need to find the intercept, and then that way you have sketch your graph. Thank you so much.